Alright, we're working on this head here. We've got it all glued together. We've sanded it down inside and out. So what we want to do is we need to cut this piece out in here, and we have to cut this off in here. So we're going to see where we stand. I've marked out the inside, what I want. So we're going to cut this off right in here. Because this piece will be able to take on and off if we need to, if we have to go in later on and make changes. So we'll cut this piece off. So now we got that. We want to mark this so we can cut this back in here. So that's going to get cut off there. We want to mark this down in here, because we don't want to go below this line. We want to cut this out in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll get this cut out, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.